Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived an old Zen master named Eido. He was known far and wide for his wisdom and ability to impart valuable life lessons. One day, 7 curious young villagers approached him and asked, "Master Eido, can you teach us about the 7 habits that will kill our future?" Eido nodded and welcomed them to sit in a circle under the shade of a massive oak tree. With a serene smile, he began to share his wisdom. 1. The habit of procrastination. The first habit that will kill your future, Eido began, is procrastination. When you put off your tasks and dreams, time slips through your fingers, and your future withers away. 2. The habit of doubt. Eido continued, doubting your abilities and the path you choose will sow the seeds of stagnation. Trust in yourself and your journey, for doubt can paralyze your potential. 3. The habit of fear. Fear, Eido cautioned, is a relentless killer of dreams. It restricts you, keeps you in your comfort zone, and prevents you from discovering your true potential. 4. The habit of greed. Greed blinds you to the beauty of simplicity. The wise master explained, it drives you to accumulate wealth at any cost, and in doing so, you may forsake the more profound riches of love, compassion, and inner peace. 5. The habit of ignorance. Ignorance of the world around you and the wisdom of others can shroud your path. Eido said, seek knowledge and understanding to broaden your horizons. 6. The habit of short-term gratification. Choosing immediate pleasure over long-term goals can be a grave mistake. Eido warned, do not sacrifice your future for fleeting moments of enjoyment. 7. The habit of regret. Eido concluded, regret is a heavy burden to carry. It can chain you to the past, preventing you from embracing the opportunities of the present and future. Learn from your past, but do not dwell on it. The villagers listened intently, absorbing the profound wisdom of their master. Eido's words resonated deeply within them, and they left with a newfound determination to break these habits that threaten their future. As the years passed, the villagers heeded Eido's teachings. They overcame procrastination with diligence, banished doubt with confidence, and conquered fear with courage. They avoided the pitfalls of greed and ignorance, chose patience over short-term gratification, and learned from their mistakes instead of regretting them. Their futures, once clouded by these destructive habits, began to shine brightly. Each villager's life was a testament to the power of wisdom and self-awareness. They, in turn, became the teachers, sharing the story of the 7 habits that could kill one's future, ensuring that Eido's timeless lessons lived on for generations to come.